recording here. We're going to talk about a simple finger exercise. We're teaching our fingers to hone in on the sweet spot in each fret so that we don't have to think for them. They'll find it on their own, and this will help our chords, when we make chords, sound so much better. I'm going to show you what it looks like. All the work is going to be on the A string, and it's going to cover 4 frets. I have a nail that has a thing growing out of it, so I'm catching it a little bit. So I'm going to change my technique. So let me tell you what's happening with the left hand. I'm putting my index finger, the 3rd fret. I'm starting on the 3rd fret because it's an easier fret to push in. You can start on any fret. You can start on any string. So I'm pressing in, and key here is I hold it down. That's 1, beat 1. Second beat, middle finger on the 4th fret. Then 5th fret. Then 6th fret. That's halfway through the exercise. I have 4 fingers down. You don't let them lift off when you're done plucking. Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second half of this is just releasing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you notice where my finger is. It's not in the middle of the fret, because I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this sound. I'm out of the sweet spot. My finger can feel this fret wire. I think that's one of the guides here. I'm going, there it is. So we want this to be in the sweet spot. Teach our fingers, hone in on the sweet spot. 2, 3, 4. And the idea is not to go fast, but to be precise. Now, right hand technique, I've got this little thing here, see if I can pull it out. I'm due to see the manicurist next week. That will solve everything. You can use your thumb. Watch this. And if you're going to use your thumb, cup your ukulele with your other 4 fingers like this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use one finger. Let's just say the middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like classical guitar technique. I'm going to alternate between my index finger and my middle finger. And I'm resting my thumb on the G string, not to play it, but just to rest my thumb. And I'm alternating. I'm starting with my middle finger because it's longer than my index finger. It just happens that way. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one way you can amp this up a little bit is to pluck twice on each fret. So let me show you. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going 2 plucks. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. It's going to help your right hand technique with this one. Now, the way you can add variation to this, darlings, is to start anywhere on the fretboard. Start down here. That'll be harder. Anything we push in on the 1st fret is the hardest fret to push in. And we can also play any of the strings. So for example, now I'm going to move down to the E string. C string. Not easy. G string. In tempo. I love this exercise and I hope you give it a try.